Is the massive Samsung Q6F 75-inch QLED actually worth your hard-earned cash? Or is it just a shiny scam? Let me give you the straight-up truth. No sugarcoating. First off, the Q6F is not a scam. It's a legit entry-level QLED TV that's actually impressed a ton of buyers. That 75-inch screen? It's huge, it's bright, and those quantum dots pop with color. If you're upgrading from an older TV or a basic LED, you're in for a treat. Seriously, the color volume here is wild for the price. But, and there's always a but, the Q6F does make some compromises to keep that price tag friendly. The biggest? Contrast. Because this model is edge-lit without local dimming, those deep blacks you want for movie night? Yeah, they're more dark gray. It's not a deal-breaker for everyone, but if you're a home theater perfectionist, you'll notice. Gaming fans, it's solid for casual play, but don't expect it to blow your mind with next-gen consoles. The refresh rate is locked at 60 Hz, there's no HDMI 2.1, and variable refresh rate? Nope. For most of us who just want some Netflix, YouTube, and occasional gaming, it's totally fine. The Tizen Smart System is easy to use, with tons of apps and a super sleek solar cell remote that charges in the light. Sometimes it's a little sluggish, but for most streaming marathons, you'll barely notice. Build quality feels premium, especially for the price, and most people are genuinely happy with theirs. Sure, a few have had issues out of the box, but that's true of any big brand TV. Bottom line, the Samsung Q6F 75-inch is a massive, colorful upgrade for anyone who wants size and value over bleeding-edge tech. Just know what matters most to you, because if it's epic contrast and next-level gaming, you might want to keep shopping.